Polygon Matic at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves from the highs we made above the 0.27672. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a Fibonacci key area of support that we need to continue holding above here on the daily chart. And above all, take a look at the 4-hour chart, discussing a 5-wave structure that is unfolding over here. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, you can see that we saw this aggressive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high above the 0.27672. Then we started a pullback to the downside, and on this pullback over here, I have been expecting to see whether HBAR is going to continue holding within Fibonacci key areas of support between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is after connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.27672. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have almost fully maximized that target area, and we continue to hold within the area. And it is now the high chance that the bulls get back into the market, give us a reversal, give us a break above key areas of resistances and significant highs, and continue pushing the prices even higher. But if by any chance the bulls don't turn up, then it is most likely that we are going to continue seeing more chop over here, and maybe at some point also lose the Fib level 0.78, which is a significant line of support. And the moment that plays out, then I will be watching for the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88 above the 0.16674 to continue holding. And if by any chance we lose that line of support, then I will be expecting a more bearish case scenario to continue unfolding over here, where we can easily get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April below the 0.15174 as my next breakdown target area. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, here I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.276, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of the wave 1. We saw a bounce in the formation of the second wave, a wave 3 pullback over here, a bounce in a wave 4, and whatever is unfolding is the final phase of that 5-wave structure in the formation of that wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci to the lows we made in the formation of the wave 3. And also doing the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the Fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.16312 as my next breakdown target area. So in case we continue seeing more chop over here, then expect that target area to be hit before we can expect a bit of a substantial bounce in the next coming hours or maybe days. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.